topic, what is factor. So a factor is a number which divides another number without leaving a remainder. That means we can also say that the remainder will be 0. So what does it mean? Let's understand this by taking an example. Suppose I want to divide this 10 by 2. So when you will divide this 10 by 2, so we can divide this by 5 times. So as you all can see, here the remainder is 0, right? So as I told you, a factor is a number which divides another number without leaving a remainder. That means 0. So that means here you all can see that we have divided this number 10 by 2, and the remainder is 0. So we can say that 2 is a factor of 10. Similarly, if I divide this 10 by 5, if I divide this 10 by 5, so once again the remainder is 0. So once again we can write here that 5 is a factor of 10. Now if I am dividing this 10 by 3, let's take this. So 3 times 9, and the remainder is 1. That means the remainder is not 0. So it means this, that 3 is not a factor of 10, right? So let's take another example. For example, this time I am taking here 12. So if you will divide this 12 by 3, see, so 4 times 12, the remainder is 0. That means once again we can say that 3 is a factor of 12. So in this way, when we divide a number and the remainder is 0, so then we can say the divisor by which we are dividing the another number, that divisor is a factor of the dividend, right? So now I will tell you how to find out the factors of any number. Let's take, I want to find out the factors of 8. So how can we do that? Start by 1. So if I start with 1, so in table of 1, does 8 comes in table of 1? That means yes, 1 8 times we have 8. Similarly, after completing 1, let's move to 2. So in table of 2, does 8 comes? Yes, so 2 4 times. So 2 4 times 8. Similarly, if I think about 3, so does 8 comes in the table of 3? As we all know, no. So we will skip this number. So let's move to number 4. But as we all can see, 4 is already done here. So whenever the number repeats, we will stop there. Okay. So as we want to, after this 2, we have to write 4, but 4 is already done. We have to check these numbers. That here no number should repeat. So 4 is already done here. That means we will stop here, and now we will write from here. One by one, we will write all 4 numbers, and which are the factors of 8. That is 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So these are the factors of 8. Let's take another example. Suppose now I want to write the factors of, say, 15. So 15, say, start with 1. Once again, 1. 15 times 15. Then if I think about table of 2, so as we all know that 2 in table of 2, 15 will not come. So we will skip this number, and let's move to number 3. But keep remember one thing, that no number should repeat. I am talking about this portion. So in table of 3, 15 will come 5 times. 3 5 times 15. So after 3, next number is 4. But as we all know that 15 will not come in table of 4, so skip this number once again and move to next number, that means 5. But once again, as you all can see, that next number is 5, but 5 is already done in this portion. So we will stop here. As I told you that no number should repeat. So these are the numbers which are the factors of 15. So you can write 1, 3, 5, 15. So I hope you all would have understood. So let's take now bigger number instead of these. Now I am taking here 24. 24. So once again start with 1. So in table of 1, 24 will come 24 times, and in table of 2, 24 will come 12 times. In table of 3, 24 will come 8 times. In table of 4, 24 will come 6 times. In table of 5, 24 will not come, so we will skip this number. Next, move to next number is 6. 4 in table 4 is done. In table of 5, 24 will not come, but in table of 6, but 6 is already done here. As I told you that we have to check this portion that no number should repeat here. So next chance is for 6, but 6 is already done here, so we will not write 6. We will stop here. Okay. So that means these are the numbers. Okay, which are the factors of 24. So let's write these numbers in increasing order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So these are the factors of 24. So actually children, this is the strict to write down the factors of any number. So I hope you all would have understood. Thanks for watching it.